Hi guys, this is Jacob Billett, CEO of Billett Enterprises. I do apologize for the backdrop. We are on the road right now. We do have some business dealings up in Northern California. So this video is coming to you on the road. So today I'm going to show you how to get your piece of the pie in the over $32.9 billion in unclaimed assets that are held by the government and by different treasuries throughout the entire Union or the United States of America. It's actually a very simple process. It's gotten a lot easier over the years, and this is the way that we've actually come in and we've helped clients claim thousands of dollars that they didn't even know that was even owed to them. So first of all, we're going to go to the site that I do use, and it's unclaimed.org. And so unclaimed.org is actually the National Association of Unclaimed Property, and it is, well, matter of fact, it's actually still saved here. And so basically with this site right here, it maps out the United States, and you're going to go ahead and select what state or states that you've resided in to go ahead and see if there's any organizations that have sent unclaimed funds to the federal government. So bear with me, our internet connection is a little slow. So we're going to go ahead and go to the state of California here, and I'm going to give you a case file or an example case for you guys to see how a claim can get started. It's actually very, very, very simple. Just a lot of people don't know about it with the government bodies. When it comes to unclaimed assets, it's not like they really advertise getting that money back to you. This is money that is in the Treasury, and they are doing what they can to make money off of that money until it's claimed. So we're going to go ahead and search for unclaimed property. And again, these unclaimed funds are from insurance payouts, tax returns that were undelivered. If you were part of an estate or a trust, and that money hasn't gotten to you, refunds from communications companies. If they try to continuously send it out to you and it goes unclaimed, then they give it to the state treasury and the money just sits. So we're going to do a case study here. We're going to be a John Smith, and we're going to go ahead and search for unclaimed property for John Smith in the state of California. And there's a couple ways the state of California, again, each state's different. So when you do go to unclaimed.org and you do search for your state, the interfaces are a little bit different. This is down at the state level. But in theory, they're all pretty much the same. You can either claim electronically or you can mail a claim form in. And we are going to see some of the results that populated from John Smith. So as you can see, to see if you are the correct John Smith for these accounts, it'll list what the last address was on record or the city and states. Sometimes if you are a John Smith and the address or the residence of record is not reflecting, then you'll just go ahead and take a look at the account and see if it is yours, if it was a service or something that you're familiar with. So we're going to go ahead and pull, we'll just pull John Smith here from Huntington Beach. And so we're going to go ahead and click on the ID number and claim number. Again, each state's a little bit unique. But you can see that this particular John Smith has a refund from Verizon, which is a telecommunications provider, for $83 that was not claimed by him. So this John Smith, or wherever he is, at this last reported owner address, he's got $83 sitting there. And again, we've seen accounts, you know, in the tens of thousands that have been unclaimed by either, you know, residencies, estates, unclaimed tax, business. So this is a kind of a really cool tool to go through and just see. I mean, me personally, I've actually claimed properties in the few hundreds of dollars. Normally I stay on top of my finances, but things do come through or they come through without you knowing. And we move quite a bit, especially with our traveling real estate investments now. We're kind of all over the place. So if you didn't know about this, this is just a really quick way to see if you may have some cash reserves somewhere, and get that cash to you so you can keep working on your financial independence. So hopefully this has helped some people out. If you have used this, or after this video you go in and you go through it and you find that you have some unclaimed money, go ahead and leave a comment on this video and let us know how much, and spread the word. The big thing is that, the government really doesn't send this information out because this money is sitting there and they're making money on your money. And this is your money. This needs to be in your pockets and nobody else's. So hopefully this video has helped some people out. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave a comment or get a hold of us, and we will see you on the next video.